In this video, we will show you how to personalize and customize the user page of the control terminal. Press the emergency stop button on the BAWS mode selector switch. Go to Setup User Page. Click on the pencil icon on the right. All functions that can be selected will appear. First, select the function you want to assign and confirm your choice with the green checkmark button. Then, simply choose where the specific function should be placed and confirm once again with the green checkmark button. To move functions on the page, select the functions and use the directional arrow keys on the right side. To reset the page to factory settings, click the gear icon located at the bottom right. Confirm with the green checkmark. Return to the main page. The user page will reload. This whole process takes about 2 full minutes. Unlock the emergency stop and press the green button on the BAWS. The machine is fully prepared and ready for operation when the indicator button glows with a solid green light. We are wishing you much success and a very productive harvest during this upcoming season.